Hello, real quick, I want to make a video about embedding Spotify playlists in your profile. I saw it mentioned on the forums, and I thought it would be pretty nice. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Spotify playlist, and there's these three buttons, and you want to click on it, go down to share, copy embed code. So say link copied to clipboard, and we'll go over. And remember that this will put anything that we type here in the About Me. So we'll just paste it in, and it added it in. So this, of course, isn't Spacehey. So this was just to kind of show you, where it's going to go, just easy to paste. So what we'll do is we'll actually go to Spacehey, and we'll paste it in. And so this is an image from a previous tutorial. Let's just paste that in, click save, view our profile, and here it is. Well, thank you for watching. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, please leave them at the comment section, I guess. Have a good one.